It is of paramount importance that all entries in SERVAL are linked to the authors and units to whom the publication belongs. This is so that their Uniscience pages are complete and thorough. In order to correct or modify the links, click on the blue arrow at the left of an entry and then click on Edit. Here you will find all the metadata associated with the entry. You can at all times click on Automatic Search and SERVAL will suggest UNIL collaborators based on the authors that are in the metadata of the entry. In order to link one of them, you need to check the box next to their names. If, however, you still didn't find the link you were looking for, you can click on Manual Search, and then you can enter the name and surname of the person, click on Search, and click on the plus sign next to the name of the person you were looking for. And then you will see that the person is already checked. Now, if you check the name of someone for whom we already know what the unit is, then that unit will be automatically added to the unit field. But if you still need to add another unit, then you can just simply type directly in that field the name of the unit and you will select it from the list. The same goes for the teams. In order to save the changes, click on Save, or if you want to leave without saving the changes, click on the back arrow.